Hi friends, today we are going to see Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru information. Okay, see the Prime Minister of India between 1947 to 1964, Union Minister of External Affairs from 1946 to 64, Head of the Interim Government of India from 1946 to 47, Member of the Parliament Lok Sabha 1952 to 64, born 14 November 1889 in India, died 27 May 1964 in New Delhi, India. Party Indian National Congress, spouse Kamla Kaul, children Indira Gandhi, nationalist movement from 1912 to 1915, civil rights, civil rights and home rule from 1912 to 1919, non-cooperation of afterwards 1919 to 1929, declaration of independence 1929, salt march 1930, success salt satyagraha up to 1935, congress president provisional election 1935 to 39, civil disobedience Lahore Resolution 1940, Japan Attack India, Cripps Mission, Quiet India Mission 1942, Cabinet Mission, Interim Government 1946 to 1947, Independent Domination of India 1947 to 1950, Vision and Government Policies, Economic Policies, Agriculture Policies, Social Policies, Hindu Code Bill and Marriage Law, language policies, foreign policies, non-aligned movement, defense and nuclear policy, defending Kashmir, China with India with China agreement, Panchashil agreement signed with Nehru, US. In US, Nehru criticized the joint invasion of the Suez Canal. The Nehru wrote the discovery of India, glimpse of world history, and autobiography letter from a father to his daughter, all written in jail. Nehru's book have been widely read and autobiography. Nehru's speech is traced with destiny was rated by British newspaper The Guardian to be among the great speeches of the 20th century. His birthday is celebrating in India as a Children's Day. Okay, bye.